Welcome to our channel. If you want to add an extra layer of security to your Gmail, locking it with a PIN is a smart move. Today, I'll show you how to do this using the AppLock app. First, let's download AppLock. Open the Google Play Store and search for AppLock. Once you find it, download and install the app on your device. Next, we'll set up AppLock. Open the app and create a pattern or PIN that you'll use to lock your applications. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions so that AppLock can function properly. Now it's time to lock your Gmail. In AppLock, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through and find Gmail, then tap the lock icon next to it. After this, every time you try to open Gmail, you'll be prompted to enter the PIN or pattern you set up in AppLock. This adds an extra layer of protection to your email, ensuring that only you can access it. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Gmail with a PIN. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your email is secure and private. Happy emailing.